make you about the feedback of what you have learned from this event. No, this is not just for yourselves, no, but it's for the entire country to know about solar systems, solid waste, go green, all for the benefit of our people in this country. All right, take down notes.
Here to celebrate a milestone, another feather in the cap of SMCT Santa Rosa. This solar-energized SM Supermall has recently obtained from the Energy Regulatory Commission the Certificate of Compliance for its solar farm. Its whopping 5,772 panel solar photovoltaic system is the largest so far on any SM mall. This system covers a total area of 21,500 square meters and a solar production of up to 4.292 megawatt hour annually. It allows SMCT Santa Rosa to self-generate for up to 15% of the energy used by the mall annually. And this breakthrough contributes significantly to SM's target of 27.037 megawatt peak of total generated capacity by the end of this year. Itong ginagawa nating initiative. Going back, this initiative not only benefits SMCT Santa Rosa but also makes things better for all of us, especially their nearby communities, because it saves precious natural resources, lessens air pollution, reduces our carbon footprint. So simply put, it's a huge step to making sure we all get to live better and healthier while taking care of the environment. So, to SM Supermalls, we raise a toast to your commitment to a greener environment through your solar PV program. And to officially welcome our esteemed guests to today's press event, a big round of SM Supermalls, Mr. Steven D. Tan.
Thank you very much for the kind introduction. Honorable, very hardworking. I heard she was up yesterday just for the fun run so early. No? Our very, very hardworking Mayor Arlene Arcillas of Santa Rosa. Director Jacqueline Cancan, Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Assistant Director Lana Rose Manaligon. Energy Utilization Management Bureau Division Chief for Solar Management Engineer Ferdinand Binondo. Our partners from Meralco, Buscovitz and the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers, colleagues, dear students, good morning, magandang umaga po. Thank you for joining us today. SM Prime is proud to be your partner towards a greener future. Our rooftop solar photovoltaic system, like this record-breaking installation at SMCT Santa Rosa, show our dedication towards sustainability in energy conservation and finding better ways to light up our world. Starting in SMCT North EDSA way back in 2014, our commitment to energy through solar farms has grown. 10 years na pala, no? With SMCT Santa Rosa's 5,772 panel system being our largest so far. It covers over 21,500 square meters and supports 15% of the mall's energy consumption, equivalent to powering about 400 Filipino households annually or 2.3 million mobile phone chargers. Our commitment to clean energy exceeds 50% across all SM Prime business segments, aligning with the government's goal of raising renewable energy supply to 35% by 2030. At SM, we simply want to help the communities we are in by making sustainable choices. We use energy-efficient LED lighting. We have long recycled and reused our water and have installed 50 electric vehicle charging stations and still counting across all SM malls nationwide so we can contribute to minimizing our environmental impact. May today be another way towards regenerating our planet and our Santa Rosa community. Thank you very much. Magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Very much. A very good morning to everyone. It is truly a blessed morning again for Santa Rosa and for the province of Laguna as well, because we're launching another program through the efforts, of course, our private sector, our partner, which will help us protect our environment. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. And as we say in Santa Rosa, hello Santa Rosa, and hello SM City Santa Rosa. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. To, of course, a very good friend, not only personally, but of the city of Santa Rosa as well, the president of SM Supermalls, Mr. Steven Tan. Very happy to see you again. And then please extend our regards also to Mr. Hansi. Mr. C have already briefed me for 2 hours when we opened a building. For 2 hours of his environmental advocacies and program. Please congratulate him from the city of Santa Rosa. And of course, to Director Jackie Kaankan of DNR and soon EMB. Please give our regards as well to Secretary Yula Laizaga. Of course, to our partner in energy conservation as well from DOE, Ma'am Lana. Thank you very much for the award given to the City of Santa Rosa on energy conservation. And of course, I'm sure SM will get it this year. Palakpakan po natin ang DOE. To all our private companies, our stakeholders, of course, SMCT, to all the students here, and to the champion of environment present here this morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. And again, welcome to SM Santa Rosa. Welcome not only to the venue of shopping here in Santa Rosa, but a place where families come together, friends bond. Yun po ang SMCT Santa Rosa. Palakpakan po natin SMCT Santa Rosa. It is truly an honor to be here today in a place that holds, again, a special significance for many of us as we gather to commemorate a landmark achievement in our pursuit of a more sustainable and eco-friendly future, the installation of the solar photovoltaic system here in SMCT Santa Rosa. In an era where environmental challenges are more pressing than ever, it is our shared responsibility to protect and preserve our natural world for future generations. Our beloved Earth depends on our united efforts and care. As we continue to progress and develop, as you all know, Santa Rosa used to be a sleepy town, and now the most highly developed cities in the Philippines, not only in the region. We must do so with a mindful approach to our ecological impact. So we want sustainable development in the city of Santa Rosa. I commend SM City Santa Rosa and the entire SM Group for their unwavering dedication to environmental conservation and your significant investment in renewable energy. Inspiring model for all other local enterprises. Hindi lang po carbon footprint ng SM, ng buong ng atin pong area. And thank you to SM for always being the venue of our Earth Hour programs. Ang Santa Rosa po ay Earth Hour capital of the Philippines. We vied sa Paris during my first round as mayor, no? And parati pong partner natin doon ay ang SM City Santa Rosa. Palakpakan po natin ang SM City Santa Rosa for helping us be the Earth Hour capital of the Philippines. Motivated by the significant step, I'm excited to reveal our plans also, the cities, to install a solar PV system at our city government center. Hindi pa kasing laki ng SM, and further enhancing the solar-powered streetlights already in place in some areas. That this move reaffirms our commitment to addressing climate change and promoting sustainable energy practices. So ngayon po, baliktad, Ma'am, DOE, no? Invest na yung private sector po and companies ang magbe-benchmark sa City Hall, sa city government. Kami po ngayon ang magbe-benchmark at gagaya sa mga private companies like SM. Palakpakan po muna natin ang SM. The establishment of the solar PV system here is a testament to our collective efforts to address climate change and promote sustainable energy. It highlights the powerful impact of public-private partnerships in driving meaningful environmental progress. Solar energy not only benefits the environment, but also promotes energy self-sufficiency, spurs job generation, and drives economic development.